Hello curious people, welcome to a quick little tutorial on how to put your stablecoins to work on Polygon in the Curve DeFi protocol. Now if you're new to this, I would certainly suggest you watch this tutorial. This will be linked below. This tells you how to get over across to Polygon from Ethereum, what Polygon is, and it shows you a bit about farming. It has plenty of timestamps so you can work out everything you need to do. There's another video as well that will be linked, which shows how to earn yield on Aave. That's a helpful thing to watch as well. All right, so if you need some more information about Curve, remember to come to CoinGecko, type in Curve, and here's all the information about the price of their actual token and any links that you need to know. Now, we don't need to worry about the actual Curve token because all we're going to be doing is we're going to be earning some yield on our stablecoins. Now, the reason why I like Curve and Polygon network is very, very fast, and the cheap fees make it really, really easy for anybody. And as for why Curve, well, Curve is an established, what we call a blue chip DeFi project. So blue chip, all that means, if you haven't watched any previous videos, it's normally referred to as a company as a blue chip, or stocks are blue chip. And basically they're nationally recognized, well established, they're financially sound, so they're making revenue and their fees are less, their expenses are less than their revenue. And if they ever went through any sort of downturn where people weren't buying or using their products as much, they're still a well-established company that will be able to weather that storm. So that's the same thing with Curve. Curve makes fees, and even if this deposit amount down here, if it went down, they would still make fees and that'd still be a profitable endeavor. Now, Curve's website doesn't look super user-friendly, so we'll work it out. But one great thing is it tells you the risks straight off the bat, just up here. So have a read of this before you get involved. You'll essentially see that there are risks, but I personally believe the risks are low. Also, if you ever were putting in a large amount of funds, you may want to consider using Nexus Mutual Insurance so you could cover your funds. Okay, so the reason why we're jumping in on this is because at the moment we're getting a little bit of our base APR, so annual percentage yield. That's our interest rate that's compounded, and it's about 5.77%. However, we also get juicy rewards of some Matic token. This is Matic, which is wrapped Matic. It can be unwrapped to just Matic. For the sake of just keeping it easy, this is just Matic. 22%. Now this was a bit higher. I think it started around 40% or thereabouts, and so it's been dropping. However, that's still a decent yield. The reason for these great juicy rewards is an incentive. So if we go to Polygon on their Twitter, we can basically see that Curve Finance and Polygon have partnered, and Polygon has gone and given them extra rewards they can give to their users. Now, Curve is already an established player on Ethereum. However, being on Polygon, it just makes it a lot more accessible for everyone else. If you need more information regarding this $5 million plus liquidity mining rewards, I will link this below, but essentially you can find it in this tweet here, which will be linked below as well. So of course, we're going to need some stablecoins in our wallet. I've got some USDT, some USDC, and I also have some DAI. It's not shown here as I haven't added the token, but I have those three in my wallet. So to deposit, I come into this area here, into the Curve pool, and then I can just click on deposit. It's at this stage, if I wanted to, I could change, say, some DAI into some USDC. If I want to, I could sell that, but I'm not going to worry about that. So you can just sell or basically swap between stablecoins here. But what we're going to do is we're going to deposit. So as it loads, it shows us our DAI max, USDC max, etc. So we can deposit whatever we would like. We can do $10 here and $5 here, or what have you. Or we can just go max and max. We're going to deposit. Now the second option, deposit and stake engage. If we put it in there, then what happens is we also earn a portion of the trading fees. Be very, very small, especially with a small amount of stablecoins like this. But this is what you'd probably be doing if you just wanted to stay in Curve. If you forgot to do so initially, you can just click on Stake Unstaked Engage. At the moment, we've deposited our tokens in, and if we come back to our home and we click on my dashboard, you can see we don't earn very much per day, of course, a very, very small amount, 13 cents a day, and a little bit of wrapped Matic or Matic per day. However, that's our first option. We've got them in there. If we decided we wanted to stake them, as I mentioned, we can just come into our pool, deposit, and just click on Stake Unstaked Engage, and send through that transaction. So to keep it very basic, if we stake our tokens, then we earn a portion of the trading fees. So our transaction has gone through and we're now earning our yield, but we're also earning a little bit in fees. We don't see anything of a change here, and that's fine. Now you can see the yield here, USD a day, we get a little bit of Matic each day. The middle one is Curve per day, the actual token. From my knowledge, we don't get any Curve per day on the Polygon network. Now, as I mentioned, Curve isn't the most user-friendly website at the moment. Maybe they'll change that in the future. I haven't been able to find a way where we can easily unstake our tokens in one click. So what we have to do instead is just come to see all pools, click on our pool, click on withdraw, and then the share of liquidity is entirely up to you. We're just going to do 100%. And if you wanted to, you could withdraw it all in USDC, or you could just do a combination. It doesn't really matter. We're going to withdraw. We have withdrawn everything, but we're going to deposit it all again. But we're just going to deposit. We're not going to stake it. Now we've been given a different token from Curve that we can go and earn extra yield on. So as a good example, this is Stake DAO. Stake DAO is another DeFi protocol, not as big as Curve or Aave, but they have some very lucrative APRs, some annual percentage yield, which is that compounding interest rate. So what we're going to do, as they have launched on Polygon, is we're going to go to their website, stakedao.org, open the app, connect away with our Metamask. They also do a really cool thing where just on the homepage, they show you your portfolio. There are other websites that will do this as well, but they just do it natively, and they've got other things in their website. At the moment, they're not seeing really anything on Polygon, so maybe that's something they'll be adding support for in the future. Okay. So what we can do is we can come into strategies, and you'll see it says change network. We're on Polygon here, but we just have to click on Polygon here. We can have the passive Aave USD strategy. We can deposit our liquidity provider tokens from Curve. There are, of course, risks and things that you need to be aware of. So by all means, do your own research thoroughly. But what we're going to do is we're just going to illustrate how it's done. I'm going to deposit these here. After you've approved the transaction, you can just type in how much you want, click on it, or do a percentage amount if you want to, and go and deposit that into the smart contract. Be aware that Stake DAO, they do take a performance fee, and there is a withdrawal fee. So our deposit has gone through. We'll just give this a refresh. Here we can see these are our shares. They have been deposited. Now the next thing we can do is we can come into this strategy here. We can stake, approve, and then we'll deposit. And deposit. Now our transaction has gone through. We can see we've got some staked here, and we will slowly earn some SDT. SDT is the native token of the Stake DAO. So once we've earned some SDT, we could claim them, which obviously I've got none to claim, but I could claim them, and then I could keep them if I wanted to, or I could go and convert them for something that I would prefer. We can do that conversion on a decentralized exchange, such as the one called Cometh Swap. We can come here and type in SDT, and then we could just transfer that to whatever we wanted to do. And that is basically how we navigate Curve and how we navigate Stake DAO. Stake DAO is definitely the more advanced and more risk and more reward platform to use. So if you want to get involved in this one, don't just look at the APR, the annual percentage yield, and think this is higher, I'm going to jump in that one, because you are being rewarded in a token which could drop in value as it has done so recently. So you may wish to stick with Curve and just earn a little bit in Matic and a little bit with USD. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know on Twitter or in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thanks.